My people, I don't come again. This one your loyal boy, your son, your friend, your anyone you want to call me, I'm there. I'm very, very loyal. I want to celebrate you all. My mommy and daddy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today I will be discussing about Mama Gladys and Mama Africa German First Lady. About their saga that is going on YouTube. My brothers and sisters, no matter what is happening, we still need to forget. We still need to forgive. Forgive one another. That is what Christ said. No matter what. Mama Gladys, I call you today. I know you right from the one. Africa German lady, I know you right from the one. I know all of you as you all know me, because we have been seeing ourselves on social media. Even though we are not seeing in face to face. That is why I said I know you all, as you people know me. Mama Gladys, I call you once again. I may say you are our grandmother. You are our mother, Mrs. Costino. I'm loyal, man. Please, no matter what is happening, we all are looking unto you. The world is looking unto you. No matter what Africa German First Lady will do, you still need to forgive and forget. It doesn't mean that you forgive your friend or you forgive your sister, that both of you will still sit down in one place, be eating with one spoon. No. No. But it's just for you to forgive. Let that thing, that grudge left your heart. A distance is not a barrier. If I forgive you, I forgive you, but it doesn't make me that we will eat together in one plate. So Mama Gladys, I call you, no matter what is happening, me, I don't even bother to go through all those videos, but I'm watching them. So I don't want to use those videos to judge what is happening, who is wrong, who is right. I'm just here to come and make peace on this issue. As I said before, I'm a little boy. I'm not qualified to make a peace on issue, but it's because of the grace of God upon my life. It's the wisdom from Solomon transferring to me. That is why I'm speaking on this way. Please, Mama Gladys, I celebrate you once again. I know you. I know your good work you have done on this set. Continue that good heart. Continue that help. It is only God that will celebrate you. It is only God that will reward you. No man on earth can reward you. Person wey don't even die still get problem for this head. Neither who see dey the world. People will talk about you. You good or you not good, or people will talk about you. So that is why me I'm telling you now, I'm begging you now, please let it go. No matter what they have cost you, let it go. It's just for you to open your eye. It's just for you to know who is your friend. It's just for you to know who is bad, who is good. You need to even take your friend, which is your son, your daughter, your husband. Nowadays, for you to even trust husband, wife, children is very hard. But just for you to trust God, it is only God that will not fail you. Be closer to God, He will not fail you. Please, Mama Gladys, Mrs. Costino, please let it go and focus on what God called you to do. I call it ministry. Focus on your ministry. The ministry God has given you to do on this set. Focus on it. Please. Even though no man on earth will celebrate you, but as I said, everyone is going to celebrate you. Your children, your great-grandchildren is going to benefit on your good that you are doing. Keep the good on. God will reward you and God will deliver you. The God that delivered Daniel is going to deliver you in all troubles. But be faithful to every man. Be faithful to every woman. Draw everybody to yourself, but let them have boundary. So I please you once again. This one is going to Africa German First Lady, Mrs. Africa German First Lady. I greet you. No matter what is happening, This message is for you and your household. No matter what is happening, we still need to be good because people are looking towards us. People have already taken you as their role model. You are the same woman that is preaching peace. You are the same woman that is preaching unity. But if this one is coming from you, what is people going to say about you? You know that you are a figure to the internet or to the world. What is happening, ma? Please, no matter what, try and make peace. No man can replace a mother-in-law. No man can replace a mother. Mother is mother. Thank God you have a son, you have a daughter. One day will come, you will be a grandmother. One day will come, you will be a mother-in-law. If your son, wife is treating you like that, are you going to happy? Are you going to feel happy? The question is no. Even though your mother-in-law go wrong in any way, in any aspect, it's still your mother-in-law. You can never change that part. You can never change that part. That is why I'm begging you, no matter what that mother-in-law do to you, find a space in your heart to forgive and forget. You people need to come together. You need to come in unity. And not everything that happens in family that you need to bring to internet. Your family, your household is privacy. We call it privacy. That your mother-in-law is like your grandmother. We need to respect one another so that people will respect us too. In those days, I can remember when we are seeing our parents, when we offend our parents, maybe my mother will say, go, it shall be well with you, I will not curse you. But what you will do to me, your children will do it to you. It's not a curse, it's a prayer. So you need to watch what you need to say, what you need to do to your mother-in-law or whosoever, to your father-in-law or to your sister-in-law, so that that thing will not return to you. Please try and make peace with your mother-in-law. This is just my little message. And even though Mama Gladys offended you, no matter what, because it's a combined video, try and forgive Mama Gladys and forget. We all are human. We all are bound to offend each other. Let it go. Let everybody move on. Go on your way, I go on my own. It doesn't mean that we all are enemies. Please, I beg you, Africa New German First Lady. And I call upon your husband once again. Your husband is the head of that family. My brothers, I call you. No matter what is happening, no matter any way, any aspect your mother offend you, bros, Papa Kevin, I call you, sir. Mother is mother. No one can replace the space of a mother. Your mother is mother. Your wife can never be your mother. Your wife can never replace the space of your mother. Your wife cannot take a space of a mother. A mother is a mother. Please reconcile with your mother, no matter what is happening, no matter that pain she has caused to you. But remember that day that she pushed you. No pain is more than that day. The day that you come to this world, no pain is more than that day. Your mother has already received the whole pain that you need to receive. So forgive your mother so that peace will reign. Reconcile with your mother so that peace will reign. You are a son to that woman. Nobody can change it. Your wife cannot change it. That is why you need to reconcile with your mother. This is my little message, my brother. Please, make peace. Mother is mother. Thank God you are a father, you have a daughter, you have a son. If your son refuses to respect you tomorrow, are you going to be happy? Don't you know that a prayer of a mother is more than a prayer of a pastor? The prayer of a mother is more than a prayer of a bishop. When your mother said, just suppose say, it is well with you, only that prayer is solved. So allow your mother to be praying good prayer for you. Draw closer to your mother. Please, my brother, Papa Kevin, I call you, sir. I'm loyal, I'm respect because I'm a man. No matter what is going on, try and make peace with your mother. And try and be controlling your wife. That is your mother. Your wife can never replace a space of your mother. Try and have discipline over your wife, no matter what. Because you guys are public figure to the world. People are looking towards you guys. Please, let's make peace. Let's peace reign. You are the same guy that is doing hook up, joining husband and wife together, joining man and woman together. Now you people are performing this character on internet. When you hook husband and wife together or a man and a woman together and they started misbehaving, how are you going to address that home? So that is why we need to caution of ourselves. We need to know what we need to say hard on internet. We need to know what to do on internet. Please, my brothers and sisters, Papa Kevin, Mama Kevin, which is Africa First Lady, Mama Gladys, mother-in-law to Africa First Lady, please, you people should come together and make peace. Let peace reign. I celebrate you, sir. The great mother, the great in-law to Africa First Lady, ma. Please, no matter what your son did, you are still a mother. Forgive him. Forgive. Your prayer is anything that is not working well, anything that is making your son to confuse in life, that let God intervene on that issue. So that he will know what is good, what is bad, so that he will know what he is doing to his mother. That is your prayer that you will be taking every morning, every night. So this is my little message to the world. I pray may the peace of the Lord reign upon you guys. I need peace. Let peace reign on internet. Let peace reign in the world. Thank you, my people. One love. Keep us together. Respect. I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye. Yeah.